Welcome to Community Arts. Today we'll be doing Charles McGee paper sculptures. Before beginning, take a look at some references of his artwork. Keep in mind what kinds of patterns and shapes Charles McGee used in his own art. With your piece of white construction paper, use a pencil or Sharpie to draw different shapes. Use your Sharpie to start creating patterns. Once you've finished making patterns, cut out the shapes you've drawn out with a pair of scissors. Grab your sheet of black construction paper and begin to arrange the cutouts on top of it. Try overlapping some of the shapes, or even try placing some shapes near the edge of the paper so that they fall off. Once you're happy with the placement of all the shapes, begin to tape them down using double-sided tape or regular Scotch tape. If you're using regular Scotch tape, just fold the tape to create a loop and then place onto the back of your cutout shape, place onto your paper.